Armed forces of a country are the ones who create a virtual fortification around a country. They help a country maintain its integrity and sovereignty. Very often armed forces are tested on the ground. Many of them show excellent courage and bravery, making them eligible for a myriad of military decorations. In this video, we will list down all the gallantry awards in Indian Armed Forces and discuss in brief about them. So without a further ado, let's begin the video. Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Paramveer Chakra translates as the greatest of ultimate brave, and the award is granted for the most conspicuous bravery in the presence of the enemy. Until now, this medal has been awarded 21 times, with Major Somnath Sharma being the first recipient. Mahavir Chakra. The Mahavir Chakra, which means Great Warrior Medal, is the second highest military decoration in India after the Paramveer Chakra and is awarded for acts of conspicuous gallantry in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea or in the air. It replaced the British Distinguished Service Order. Until now, this medal has been awarded 218 times, with Lieutenant Colonel Devan Ranjit Rai as the first and Captain Gurjinder Singh Suri as the last recipient. Veer Chakra. Veer Chakra is an award presented for acts of gallantry in the presence of the enemy on the battlefield. It replaced the British Distinguished Service Cross, Military Cross and Distinguished Flying Cross. It is third in precedence in the Wartime Gallantry Awards and come after the Paramveer Chakra and Mahavir Chakra. Until now, this has been awarded 1,322 times, with Lieutenant Kanika Sami as the first and Wing Commander Abhinandan as the last recipient. Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra is India's highest peacetime military decoration, awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. It is a peacetime equivalent of the Paramveer Chakra and is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent valor or self-sacrifice other than in the face of the enemy. The decoration may be awarded either to the military or civilian personnel. Kirti Chakra. The Kirti Chakra is an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the field of battle. It may be awarded to civilians as well as military personnel, including posthumous awards. It is a peacetime equivalent of Mahavir Chakra. It is second in order of precedence of peacetime gallantry awards. It comes after Ashoka Chakra and before Shaurya Chakra. Before 1967, the award was known as the Ashoka Chakra of second class. Shaurya Chakra. The Shaurya Chakra is an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice while not engaged in direct action with the enemy. It may be awarded to civilians as well as military personnel, sometimes posthumously. It is third in order of precedence in peacetime gallantry awards and comes after the Ashoka Chakra and the Kirti Chakra. It precedes the Sena Medal. These are the most important gallantry awards in the Indian Armed Forces. Other gallantry awards includes under Wartime Distinguished Service Medals comes Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal and Yudh Seva Medal. Under Peacetime Distinguished Service Medals comes Param Vishishta Seva Medal, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Vishishta Seva Medal. Under Distinguished Service and Gallantry Awards comes Sena Medal, Nausena Medal and Vayu Sena Medal. Indira Gandhi had once said that martyrdom is not the end, it's the beginning. Jai Hind.